Yes, very good morning to all. Firstly, I would like thanks to Raphael University, special thanks to Dr. Rajkumar sir for giving me opportunity to lecture on the career in the agriculture. Today we have discussed the what is the career and what is the scope of agriculture. Generally, there are the 10 plus 2 streams level. There are the 10 have the two boards in case of the Rajasthan Board of Secondary Education and at the central level CBSE. But each and every state have the boards for conducting 10th or 12th exam. Just after passing of the 10th class, you have going for to the 10 plus 2. In case of 10 plus 2, just you will be choose the arts such as the commerce, science, various streams in the science such as the physics, chemistry, maths, physics, chemistry, biology, and agriculture. After 10 plus 2, you are choosing the subject. There are the various scope at 10 plus 2 common. But especially in case of agriculture, if you passed 10 plus 2 from agriculture, BSc agriculture, or then you have the eligible for the agriculture supervisor and commonly 10 plus 2 streams all are available also Patwari, Constable, 10 plus 2 SSC, then agriculture actions officer, lab attendant, record keeper, receptionist, telephone operators, clerk, data entry operators, maybe. Firstly, I have a one questions to all why we choose the agriculture. Or what is the scope of the agriculture? Why we have choose the agriculture? There are the so many reasons depends upon the various person and personalities. Show the on the view of myself and why we choose agriculture. First, in 2015, we have increasing our population up to 160 million. 160 million. We have need to the 480 million ton food grain means just we have the increasing of the point of view, we have need to the more food grain, just we have come into the choose agriculture departments and show how to increase the productivity. Another issue is the land shrinking. When we have the independent era, over per person land availability or the land holding size is 0.47 hectare. Present era is 0.33, but in case of 2015, they have decreasing up to 0.15 hectare per person. Another is the water issue. Water availability at the time of independent India, 300 million, 3,000 cube meter water. But in case of 2015, we are going to the 1700 meter cube water. This is the very critical for person. Another issue is the research gap. Research gap is also very because we have the in case of the rice, our research yield is the 15 quintal per hectare, but in case of farmer field, the average productivity of the national is 24 quintal per hectare. That's there are lot of gaps, there are lot of gaps between the farmer yield and the research gap. So we have to did the completed this gap. Another is the yield gap. Yield gap may be completed by the extension scientist and farmer. Another issue is increase of the urbanization. Another issue is globalization of agriculture. In case of the pre-modern agriculture, we have to 95 farmers produced food feed for the complete the 5 ban requirement. But in case of now modern agriculture, 5 ban is produced food grain for 95 to 100 persons. Another is its career in agriculture, just like the teaching, research, and extension. Or another issues is there, just like we have completed to approach to the food security, but we have need to the environmental security, nutritional security, and also employment security. Then we have choosing the career in 12th. After 12th, just conducted by the two tests, such by the agriculture entrance and another is the various products of. अच्छा मेरा, अरे सर इसका कंट्रोल आपके पास नहीं है क्या? अरे यार ये तो बीच बीच में आ रही थी, देखो चलो ठीक हो। जब स्लाइड शेयर करता हूँ तो ये ऑप्शन गायब हो जाते हैं, मिलते नहीं है। चलो मैं करता हूँ।
Request to all participants on behalf of the organization.
Please humble request to all participants of the audio and the video also, because they troubling.
There is one request I want to tell the participant. Please don't disturb.
Yes.
Someone is marking on the. So it may create some problem.
मास्टर
Dr. Rajkumar sir, convener, please say to the participants, please unmute yourself.
Please participants.
यदि आपके कुछ देखने शेष रह गया हो तो निर्भय होकर
Sir.
उधर हो जाओ।
Please all are.
Hello.
Yes sir. Sir, slide visible है?
Yes, visible, sir.
Yes sir.
Okay, continue.
Yes, continue.
Yes. When you are choose to 10+2 level, agriculture, science, mathematics, and the biology, we have to the two options for admission in agriculture and various disciplines. The first one is the All India Entrance Examination for UG admission, conducted by Indian Council of Agriculture, and they are the got the 15% seats of the all deemed universities, central 100% admission, 100% seats in central agriculture universities, and 15% seats in state agriculture universities. Also conducted this exam in various state level at over dependent upon the universities. In case of the Rajasthan joint entrance test examination conducted by the MPUT, SKRU, SKNU, AU Kota and AU Jodhpur for admission in various disciplines such as the BSc Agriculture, BSc Horticulture, Forestry, BSc
हो गया
Sericulture, BSc
हो गया
Biotechnology,
हाँ तो
Home Science, Biotechnology, Home Science, Fisheries, BTech, Agriculture Engineer. After UG completed, you have going for the various career in agriculture such as the Assistant Agriculture Officer, Indian Forest Service, Agriculture Field Officer in banks, and then technical assistant, Food Corporation of India ST3 post, various lab technician posts, and private companies such as Dhanuka Seeds, Chambal Fertilizer, Fertilizer Association of India, Bayer, BASF, and the Pioneer. Various companies have the admin to produce the job in various fields such as the sales officer, marketing, producers. After completed UG, if you will go for the PG, if you will go for the PG, PG is conducted by also ICR, as commonly popularly known as the JRF, Junior Research Fellowship, and then various state have conducted PG tests. In case of the Rajasthan, is commonly known as the pre-PG test, and some deemed or the central universities have conducted at on test for admission such as the Banaras Hindu University, Varanasi, CR, Allahabad, Forest Research Institute, Dehradun, Aligarh Muslim University, Vishwa Bharati Vidya Niketan, and various all state have interested. This is the on the basis of merit come counseling seat allotted for PG in various disciplines. We have just to the focus especially in GRF. GRF have the 120 questions for 2 hours, especially multiple choice question based. Each question, if the correct, you got 4 marks and negative marking only for 1 mark. If the question is not attempted, there was then no mark, means 0 mark to be awarded. After PG completed, you will go for agricultural research scientist, SMS, assistant professor, technical officer, senior technical officer, research assistant scientist, seed officer, inspector, FCI management training, forest officer, research officer, seed certification officer, plant protection officers, assistant plant protection officers. And in case of the universities, they have the various job produce such as the lab assistant, technical assistant, seed production officer, pest, weed control, assistant research officer. In case of private sector, seed production officer, marketing, sales executive, and on level, we have going for the agri clinic, nursery raising, mushroom culture, and then apiculture. After completed you have PG, you will go for the PhD. PhD is admission test is commonly known as SRF. This is the conducted on the computer-based online test. In case of that, there are the 2 subjects. Is the one of the major and another is the minor subject. Choose for the 73 discipline in all Indian in related to agriculture and allied disciplines. They have the 2 question is divided such as 120 and 20 question is the general, means reasoning ability, general knowledge, reasoning, mathematics, and current affairs. But 50 questions from the main subject and the 50 questions from the minor subject for all. After MSc, you go for the ARS or the NET examination. NET examination is the essential for the assistant professor, at various state agriculture universities, deemed universities, central universities. And they are the NET examinations. They are also known as the prelims for the ARS. In this question paper, 120 minutes have 150 questions have and the objective type questions. For ARS main questions, such that the paper have they divided into 30 parts, 3 parts. First one is the 40 questions. Each and every question have but 20 minutes. Means each question have the time only for half minutes. Same also in the 20 questions says the 5 to 6 line questions and 5 minute in guide question, and then the final is the 6. This is the essay type of the question, and each question have the 8 minutes. For two successful completed this paper and 60 marks 5 hours. Some exam tips depends upon the way. First, we know the syllabus, its weightage and topic and pattern of the exam. Pattern of exam is understanding is the most important because they are the clearly dependent upon the all things. Make and follow the suitable timetable. Which timetable we have to follow to just we have the prepare. To keep notes or reliable study resource such as the notes, question bank, ICRE codes, senior notes, self notes, eliminate all fear and stress. Another is the revision. Revision is the every 15 days to be necessary for the remembering of the all questions. Firstly, I have said something, the pattern of examination, especially GRF, because you have the mostly student have the undergraduate GRF patterns in case of the 120 questions. Some of the questions is the fixed in the examination, such as the related to the various institutes such as National Research Center in India, Indian Institute of Med Research, such type of institute, Central Institute, and then another institute, such type of the conjunctive group of International Agriculture Group Institute, FIMIT, appreciates and regularly visit the various websites of the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare, Indian government, and also the various state agriculture ministries, and annual reports of various good esteemed very good institutes such as ICR, IARI, NIAM, NAS. And question is easy, but alternate choice is the confused because sometimes have the question asked in the examinations. Question is very easy. You have the all understand thing, but if they choose the option or correct the answer, and you have the confused. Just for example, question is simple. Urea contain nitrogen. Option A 46, option B 46.6, option C 45, and option D 48. Generally in books we have learned the urea content 46 nitrogen, but if you will go for the elemental weight or correct value of the urea, nitrogen content is 46.6, then you have choose the answer 46.6, not 46. Another issue says the related words, for example, single superphosphate SSP. Why super word is derived? Because single superphosphate is made from the two chemical acids, but it is water soluble final product. That's why it's known as the super. Another question is the nitrogen absorbed form. Nitrogen absorbed form generally know the ammonia form and nitrate form. Ammonia form and nitrate form. But in case of some scientists reported that they have the directly absorbed nitrogen at the N2 form up to the 10% in especially rice crop. And in case of some crops, urea nitrogen is uptake in the form of amide form. Next one is the we have the covered in the JRF syllabus, particularly covered the irrigation is the most important subject in the agronomy because a lot of questions is asked from the irrigations. It's good book for the irrigation agronomy by S.R. Reddy. Then principle of agronomy, agrometeorology, weed management, crop production, sustainable agriculture, and another is the advanced thing in agriculture. Advanced things such as the artificial intelligence is now introduced in agriculture. Nanotechnology is also introduced in agriculture. Nitrogen expert, N expert, real-time management, NEST, NDVIs, and then soil fertility, and then nitrogen management. This is the various books for the prepare of the JRF agronomies. They are the firstly 5 to 6 books have the new and latest and very good knowledge and published from the Indian Society of Agronomy, New Delhi. Modern concept of agronomy, agronomic terminology. Both are the very good, very nice book for with the help of some objective books and manual fertilizer, nutrient management, soil science also good book. Finally, I have concluded to my lecture. Our goal is the specific, time-bound, timely, measurable, and realistic. Then you have the success. Finally, I have concluded my words in few lines. Such we need to the smart work, no need to the hard work. Thank you. Thank you, Doctor.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your experience with us. Now, the second speaker of the webinar is Dr. Ajay Kumar, Assistant Professor. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Dr. Ajay Kumar, Assistant Professor. मेरे को सुन पा रहे हैं सर क्या?
Yes, sir. Audible.
Okay, sir. Okay. तो डॉक्टर अजय कुमार, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर प्लांट पैथोलॉजी, अमर सिंह कॉलेज, लखावटी, बुलंदशहर. तो वेलकम यू सर एंड sharing your thoughts.
Thank you, Dr. Rajkumar. Very good morning to all of you.
Good morning, sir.
And
Good morning.
thank you to organizers and Raffles University. I am Dr. Ajay Kumar, Assistant Professor Plant Pathology, Amar Singh College, Lakhauti, Bulandshahr. We are organizing a webinar on emerging opportunity in agriculture education. But due to COVID-19, in this duration, webinars are proceeding. So we correlate the opportunities of agriculture education and careers with related to COVID-19. Then everybody well known that virus is very infectious and create the harmful and students may be known, PSC students or PG students, everybody. Viruses are made up of the nucleic acid and protein, and they multiply within cell to cell. This is the basic information about the viruses, and we are suffering from these viruses of the human beings. Regarding opportunity in agriculture education, I also realize agriculture is the backbone of our country. You know and read earlier about 60% population depending on the agriculture of our country and belonging to rural areas, rural population. But this time you see last 3 months during this pandemic, the farmers and poor persons are suffering from these situations. in our country. So I suggest the students who make our career in agriculture. Agriculture is the unique platform for the making our career, because BSc students comparison to other art and science faculty students is better to perform in future your career advancement. Because I am also a agriculture student during the intermediate, and last before 15 years I saw the agriculture sector in education was proceeding as a boom, and this time and in future also agriculture is a boom for the all agriculture students and farmers, and it will be continue. So after UG and PG you can uh, you can acquire the uh, you can acquire the agriculture clinic certificate, and you can find out the loan for the hello, you can find out the loan from the banks for our business purposes. Government subsidize the loan on 25% in some schemes and 50% some schemes, and after 5 year relaxation to fulfill your EMI, then you have a broad area and long opportunity in this field. Present time government taking a Pasupalan loan about at 6 lakhs in small farmers, small level in at your home. In 6 lakhs you can start your platform, and government will give you 15,000 per month regarding your pasupalan and your milk production dairy. So I will say you all who have need this type of employment, you can recently consult your bank and your Gram Pradhan which type of scheme is running. As well as I am recently last year selected as a assistant professor permanently in higher education. So I will discuss to higher studies. Students, if he will be master, then he will think abroad and can be self-dependent and think positively and can be perform better in your field. I request to all students who have generally students, agriculture students are belonging to rural area, village area who have a agriculture cultivated land and their family farmers, guardians. So if you are reading agriculture, your responsibility, you suggest your family member who cultivated in your field and product the agriculture products, you guide them. Whatever you learn in university and colleges, it's your responsibility. You are the future of the country, and you can reclaim your agriculture and agriculture production of family and enhance the agriculture production and as well as economic status. Regarding higher study, if you will be master means in all sectors you are the masters in your subject masters. After masters, you can join the degree college and you can prepare NET examinations. Recently, ICR, ASRB, ARS eligibility changed because after this time you prepare ARS scientist after PhD. But last years before, ARS eligibility was only master. So because due to population and opportunities in agriculture, eligibility may be changed and government changed this time because जैसे जैसे भीड़ बढ़ती है शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में वैसे वैसे नियम भी टफ किए जाते हैं. So I say students, if you want to career in higher education, higher study, after master you can prepare NET examination. If you qualify NET, then you can apply the higher education, Prayagraj. You, if you are reading the newspaper and news, you read and listen. 39,000 posts will be in future in higher education. 39,000 in only Uttar Pradesh. So you have a broad opportunity in higher studies. I say and rememberize in higher education, selected candidate as a lecturer, assistant professor in government degree college, government degree college, after 2 steps. First of all, written examination, and second, interview. Both written and interview marks added and get finalized, merit and got selection. So most of all, it's depend on hundred question papers, including in 100 questions, 70 questions from your own main discipline subjects, master degree subjects, and 30 questions from GK and GS. So I saw in 30 question in GK GS, agriculture background students are average in GK and GS. At least 80% students are average. 20% may be prepared PCS level competitions. So they perform better in written examinations. Not 100%, but average to better. But 80% students are average, who are only focusing on their master degree program and BSc agriculture program. So they perform only average. So I say that you are only perform average in 30 question GK GS. So you correct the more than 15 questions, 15 to 20 questions. And I saw all the average students are agriculture background students correct in the higher education assistant professor written exams around 15 to between 15 to 20 in all 30 GKGS subjects. But your merit will be high only your main subjects, 70 question marks. In 70 questions, if you are study hardly, honestly in your main disciplines, you will correct about 60% plus, 60% plus 78, 68, or you can correct all 70. So this your main subjects will make your merit high and help in the interview when you will go to interview, and help in the selection, final selection, because interview will be held in 30 marks. In 30 marks, 13 marks minimum you will get at the present, and maximum 20 marks is the limit to find out the, to get out the in the interview. Then this is the some information about the higher studies, higher education. Being a plant pathologist, I will suggest you a mushroom cultivation. You can start in a village, a small room. In winter season, you can start easily without AC in the rural areas, at every places, in a machan, at a small only 1,500 costage, and you can sell the mushroom minimum at 120 rupees kg to 200 rupees kg. And in the last, I will say and wish to all students of Rafael University and who are listening this webinar, agriculture is the best platform comparison to other discipline. Thanks, and very thanks to organizer, convener, and Rafael University who invite me and listening peacefully. Thanks, Dr. Rajkumar.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, so much for sharing your valuable thoughts. And, please drop your question answer in the chat box.
Dr. not audible.
Okay, sir.
डॉक्टर साहब वीडियो को बंद करके फिर बोलो तो आपकी आवाज क्लियर आएगी, और कई बार इंटरनेट स्लो होने से लोड नहीं ले पाता.
हेलो, हाँ आवाज आ रही सर?
Yes, sir, आ रही है, audible.
Okay, okay, sir, okay. So finally, I would like to propose the vote of thanks to Dr. Deepak Kumar, HOD, School of Agriculture Science, Raffles University, for his valuable support. I also like to thank to the chairperson, registrar, and all other administrative staff members for their support and contribution for making the webinar a grand success. I especially thanks to Mr. Ratna Ramji for his valuable support. Great, thank you everyone and participants, all participants. We appreciate you all being here. Thanks again for joining us today, and we will see you next time. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Good morning, everyone. Myself, Dr. Deepak Kumar, Assistant Professor and Head of the School of Agriculture Science, Raffles University, Nepal. First of all, I would like to my humble thanks to Dr. Ajay Kumar and Mr. Garulal for sharing this wonderful knowledge for agriculture students and other participants for colleges and universities. I would like to my special thanks to administrative staff of Raffles University, Mr. Ratnaram, the staff sir, COE, examination sir, And my special thanks to Dr. Rajkumar for organizing this wonderful webinar on this topic. So that's all from my side. Thanks once again to all of you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for your valuable. Thank you to all again, all participants and all the moderators, my colleagues.